It's the business book no one is talking about. The book you should pre-order now at Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, IndieBound, and where all books are sold. Disruptive Marketing. What growth hackers, data punks, and other hybrid thinkers can teach us about navigating the new normal. Pre-order the book that will help you navigate business in the 21st century. Author Jeffrey Colon explains how language in the 21st century is how we manipulate media. Learn the concepts of social by design, producerism, and post-digital. Learn how to thrive as we transition from a knowledge economy to a creative economy. Disruptive Marketing, written by Jeffrey Colon. Pre-order it today before it's too late.